ஹாய் நீட் ஆஸ்பிரண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி. வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி சார்பாக அனைத்து விதமான டாபிக் சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோவும் இனி வரும் நாட்களில் உங்களுக்கு வரும். உங்களுக்கு இதை சார்ந்த சந்தேகங்கள், கேள்விகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். எங்கள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் போடுற வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த வீடியோ ரெகுலராக உங்களுக்கு வரணும்னா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ. Wish you all the best.
My name is Mahanandi. I am a physics faculty. Now I am explaining about the alternating voltage is applied through a pure capacitor. Alternating voltage applied to a pure capacitor. Now at any one of the capacitor having, the capacitor is connected of the alternating potential of AC voltage applied. Now capacitor C. Here the alternating potential is the E equal E naught sin omega t applied. Now the current is passing through the capacitor. That time here what happened, the current is lead or lag, or potential is lead or lag. That is now we will discuss. Generally capacitance formula, capacitance equal to Q by V. Now the potential V equal to Q by C. But here the potential of the means E having potential V equal to E. Now V replace, I will take to the E equal to Q by C. Now Q equal to EC. C is converted to the left. Now Q equal to EC. E is the potential of the AC potential is E equal to E naught sin omega t substitution. Q equal to E naught C sin omega t. Now here differentiation of the both side with respect to time. Differentiate with respect to time means now dq by dt is equal to d by dt into E naught C sin omega t. Now already we know the current is I equal to dq by dt. I equal to dq by dt. Now I taken I equal to, here differentiation with respect to time means here E naught C is the constant outside. Next d sin omega t by dt. Now I equal to E naught C. Now differentiation with respect to time of the sin omega t means omega cos omega t. Now this omega I equal to E naught by 1 by omega C. Now omega C is the reciprocal method applied, and numerator term is coming. Now cos omega t. Here I equal to I naught cos omega t. Here I naught equal to, here I naught equal to E naught by 1 by omega C. But E naught by 1 by omega C is the main considered of the capacitive react XC. Now I equal to I naught. This cos omega t is writing of the, and another form is the sin omega t plus pi by 2. Now the comparison of the potential E equal to E naught sin omega t and current I equal to I naught sin omega t plus pi by 2. Now here the phase angle is the pi by 2. Phase angle phi equal to pi by 2. But here current lead or potential lead means current is the lead. Why na? Because the phase angle is the positive phase angle means current lead potential lag. Now if your phase angle is the phi equal to pi by 2 having, that time if you any AC potential is applied to the capacitor, what happen? The average power is the power P average is equal to the Vrms Irms cos phi. Here P average is equal to Vrms Irms cos phi. Phase angle is the 90 degree. Cos pi by 2 means 90 degree. cos 90 is 0, 0 and something 0, P average is 0. Now this phase angle based current lead and potential lag, how to representation of the graphical representation and how to the waveform. After how much is the capacitive reactance means XC, how to we can find out, that is now we will discuss. Now potential lead and current lag, how to representation are now, but here we have discussed the capacitor is the potential lag and current is the lead. Current lead and potential lag how much means phase of the angle is the 90 degree. Now x axis I will consider to the current, potential is the VC is considered of the y axis based minus. Now this angle is the pi by 2 of the angle, or now current is lead, potential is lag, VC is the capacitor of the potential. Here phase angle is the 90 degree means pi by 2. Now here how to representation of the waveform. Now potential of the waveform is the E equal to E naught sin omega t, but the current is lead of the potential, that is also 90 degree means. Now these dotted lines is the I equal to I naught sin omega t plus pi by 2, because of the current is the lead having, that is the 90 degree lead having, but potential is the lag having, that is the 90 degree of lag having, the comparison of the current and potential. But what is the explanation of the capacitive reactance? Capacitive reactance is representation of the XC equal to 1 by omega c. Why? Because already we know previously I naught equal to E naught by 1 by omega c. This 1 by omega c is the XC. Now XC equal to 1 by omega c having, but XC equal to 1 by omega is the 2 pi f. Omega replace 2 pi f's. Now here f is the, suppose the frequency is 0 having means XC is at infinity. If frequency is 0 means XC is equal to 1 by 0 means XC equal to infinity. But this one based of the, if you now capacitive reactance of XC and the frequency having, the frequency is continuously vary, but that time immediately the XC value is go to at infinity point. Same with the relation of the capacitive reactance with relation of the now capacitance means C value is go to at infinity. These are the explanation of the at any alternating potential is applied to the pure capacitor time, that time the current is lead, potential is lag. After that time the average of the power is equal to 0. After the capacitive reactance is entered, the capacity of reactance is the XC equal 1 by omega c. After the XC and frequency based and XC and C based of the graph is representation. Thank you for watching this video.